Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel for Manny. In today's video, we are gonna compare the audio of the Galaxy S25 Ultra versus the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's quickly check the features. So just go to settings and just scroll down to the sound vibration, and you can see sound quality and effects. You can see the Dolby Atmos as switch to music, and on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, let's see sound and vibration and sound quality and effects. Okay, Dolby Atmos turned on and switching to music, and now let's play the audio. Let's start off from the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra. So 107 was the maximum which is recorded regarding the volume. Let's see on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yes. Oh, 108. Let's quickly check the quality of the audio on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I think no improvement in terms of the audio experience. So that was a tie in terms of the audio, and that's it.